Good morning, my name is the Old Mechanic. What do I got here in my shed? A Kawasaki Vulcan VN 1500 from 1988, and it looks great. It's such a nice bike, a twin cylinder, and today I'm going to show you how you can do your own maintenance, a quick maintenance. We're going to do an oil change without changing the oil filter. That's for this bike at this moment not necessary. Come on over and we start. Now the first thing we're going to do is get the bike straight up. So, got my winch, towel, not to scratch anything. Then a strap. Close your ears. Strap. Like this. Then this one. Yes, to do an oil change on a Kawasaki VN 1500, what do we need? Of course, we need oil. Castrol Power RS 10W40. Half synthetic, in my opinion, the best oil there is. Never had a problem with it. And I'm using it now for years and years and years on my own bikes. We need a range of 17 for the oil drain plug. Hopefully it fits underneath. It does, but hopefully you can see it first. We gotta loosen the oil drain plug. 17, it fits over here. Up. Now, even kijken where it is. Here it is. There he goes. I don't think you can see it. It's such a low bike. Over here is the oil screen, as they call it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Okay, guys, we're gonna let the bike lean over to the other side. So, like this. So now I can easily get that oil screen out. I'll take this one. There it comes up. First, this very special bolt, and then in there is the oil screen. I got a magnet and there is a spring. Okay, and up. Wow. Now So, there. Gonna clean this screen too. It looks great, but we gave it a clean. Now we're gonna lean the bike over to this side. Pop up. A bit. So. Oh. Give this one a good clean too. Copper washer off, get a new one. Then the spring. Give that a nice clean too. This is the okay. Hop. Hua. So. Okay. No, not okay. Take plier like this, so I can do. See? Ugly hole in there too. And then okay. Yes. Clean the thread too. At least I love to do it. Now, it's a tiny bit bent, but we give this a clean with a bit of petrol. For people who watched my channel, what I always do, let a bike drain is old oil. Because I have a winch, I can put the bike from one side, let it drain. A bike has always a lot of oil pockets, as they call it, and oil gets trapped, goes into those oil pockets, and by leaning the bike over you drain those pockets too, so you drain more oil out of the bike. Now we get it, let it lean to this side. See? Unfortunately you can't see it, but the oil already starts to drip. I can even lean it a tiny bit more to this side. Not much, but like this. Yes. Okay. It's coming out. Now on two places, the oil screen and at the drain plug. Oh. Okay. See. Yep. it has been leaking out now for quite a while, so we're gonna hang it over. Oh, watch. Yes, there he comes. Here he comes again. Hey, because when you do your own oil filter change, you better do it the right way. How easy is that? It's very easy. And, of course, saves you a lot of money. A lot. Now, we let it rest again for a while. See you later. So, put the bike straight up and see. Oh, my light. Okay, now I'm gonna mount back the screen. First, get the glasses off. First we give it a clean, of course. The screen has to go in with the plastic thing first. This side is opened. Now, get the... Then, oh, 17. Okay, the oil screen plug needs to be torqued with 20 Newton meters. Set it to 20 Newton meters, and that's, yes, over here. Even kijken, deze. Yep. This one, an extension bar and a 17mm socket. And then up. Okay, I got my crayon. Check. Then we go to the oil drain plug. We're gonna give that a clean too. Oh, ja, dat maar zo. Over here I have a new copper washer and it's 12mm. Okay. The drain plug is nicely cleaned. Okay. And then up. The oil drain plug also needs to be torqued with 20 Newton meters. Okay. Yes. Where is my crayon? Okay. Check. So guys, I think I got everything. I got my oil in this canister. I got my funnel. Yes, always clean it first. That's okay. Then we do the special trick. Hop. So, hop. Perfectly cleaned. Then, over there, we're gonna fill the oil. So. Now, we're gonna fill it with oil. Then give me choke. Okay.